So students, today in this video we will discuss directly from our notes so that in less time we can discuss more topics. So today we will discuss matrices of class 12th. So let's start with the basic definition of matrices. Basically, matrix is singular form and matrices is plural form. So what is a matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of m by n numbers. That means it is a rectangular arrangement of m by n numbers, means where m rows and n columns are present. So we can say matrix A is given with rectangular arrangement. These are rows and these are columns. So we have 1, 2 up to m rows, and if I talk about columns, then I have n columns. So if I say first entry, so that means it is present at first row and first column, you can say. So first row represented by 1 and first column by 1 also. So A11 first element, A12 second element of first row, second column. Similarly, A1n means first row and nth column element. So we have first row, second row, likely last row, that means mth row, and last element will be mn because we have m rows and n columns. So we can say generally A matrix is represented by this bracket Aij. Aij are general representation of elements. So I can put any element here for my special matrix. So here if I am taking Aij, so I represent from 1 to m, that means I stands for rows and j stands for column, and columns are 1 to m. Now come to order of matrix. Orders are represented by rows and columns. So for example, if I consider this matrix, how many rows are there? 1, 2 up to m. So m rows and n columns are there. So order of this matrix will be m by n. So in particular, if I take 2 rows, 1, 2 and 2 columns, 1, 2. So order will be limited to this matrix only. That means 2 by 2 will be the order of 4 entries in a matrix. So now, row matrix especially, you can directly say a matrix which has only one row is called row matrix. Example is already given. See, here 4 elements are there and single row is there, and order is given by m into n, where m stands for row and n stands for column. Column are 1, 2, 3, 4, but row is single. So 1 by 4 is the order of given matrix. In general, A matrix is given by Aij, whose order is 1 by n, means this first value stands for row and row is 1. So you can directly say that it is a row matrix because number of rows is 1 only. N may vary, n कितना भी हो सकता है, but first element, that means number of rows should be equal to 1. Then order will be 1 by n and matrix will be set to row matrix.